When it comes to home upgrades, many Glendale homeowners focus on kitchen remodels, bathroom renovations, or landscaping projects. While these can certainly add value, one often overlooked yet incredibly impactful upgrade is door replacement. Replacing your doors is more than a cosmetic change. It's a practical improvement that boosts your home's functionality, security, and energy efficiency. Here's why door replacement in Glendale is the smartest home upgrade you can make. Enhance your home's curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A worn, outdated door can detract from your home's appearance, no matter how beautiful the rest of your property might be. By replacing it with a stylish, modern design, you can dramatically enhance your home's curb appeal. In Glendale's competitive real estate market, first impressions matter. Whether you choose a classic wooden door, a sleek fiberglass option, or a bold pop of color, a new door can make your home stand out in the neighborhood. Plus, if you're planning to sell your home, a new front door can significantly increase its perceived value to potential buyers. Improve energy efficiency and reduce utility bills. Glendale's warm summers and mild winters make energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Outdated doors often have gaps, poor seals, or insufficient insulation, allowing air to escape and causing your HVAC system to work harder. This results in higher energy bills and less comfort inside your home. Modern doors are designed with advanced insulation and weatherproofing technologies. Replacing your old door with a new, energy-efficient model ensures a tight seal that keeps cool air in during summer and warm air in during winter. Over time, this upgrade can lead to substantial savings on your energy bills while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Increase security for your family. Safety is a primary concern for Glendale homeowners, and your doors are your first line of defense. If your current doors are outdated, damaged, or have weak locks, they could be compromising your home's security. A professional door replacement allows you to upgrade to stronger materials, advanced locking mechanisms, and reinforced frames. These features deter potential break-ins and give you peace of mind knowing your family and belongings are well protected. Modern doors not only look great but also provide the security you need to feel safe in your own home. Add convenience and functionality. A new door doesn't just look better, it works better, too. If you're dealing with a sticking, squeaking, or misaligned door, it's time for an upgrade. Professional door replacement ensures smooth operation, eliminating the frustrations of a faulty door. Additionally, many new door models come with features that enhance functionality. For example, sliding patio doors with built-in blinds, smart locks, or energy-efficient glass panels can make everyday life easier and more enjoyable. You'll notice the difference every time you use your doors. Minimize maintenance effort. Old doors often require frequent maintenance, from repainting and resealing to fixing chips and cracks. By investing in a new door made from durable, low-maintenance materials, you can save time and effort in the long run. Fiberglass and steel doors, for instance, are resistant to warping, rotting, and weather damage. They maintain their appearance and functionality with minimal upkeep, freeing you from the cycle of constant repairs. Boost your home's value. Home improvements that provide a high return on investment are always worth considering, and door replacement is one of them. According to industry studies, replacing your front door can recoup a significant portion of its cost in added home value. For Glendale homeowners, where the real estate market is active, this means a new door is not just an expense but an investment. It's an upgrade that benefits you now and pays off later if you decide to sell. Tailor your home to your style. Door replacement gives you the opportunity to personalize your home. With countless design options, materials, and finishes available, you can choose a door that reflects your taste and complements your home's architecture. Whether you prefer a rustic wooden design, a contemporary glass panel, or a bold, colorful entryway, the possibilities are endless. Conclusion: door replacement in Glendale is more than just a home improvement project. It's a smart, multifaceted upgrade that enhances your home in ways you'll appreciate every day. From improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to increasing security and convenience, the benefits of replacing your doors are undeniable. If you're ready to elevate your home's style, comfort, and value, consider investing in professional door replacement services. It's a decision that delivers both immediate rewards and long-term benefits, making it one of the smartest upgrades you can make for your Glendale home.